Hello students, today we are going to see a very important topic, that is punctuation. Let me define what is a punctuation. Punctuation is a system of putting in proper stops and marks in writing. Punctuation marks: 1. Full stop, 2. The comma, 3. The colon, 4. The question mark, 5. The exclamation mark, 6. The apostrophe, 7. The double inverted comma, 8. The hyphen, 9. The dash, and 10. The capital letter. Let's understand all punctuation marks in detail. First one, the full stop. The full stop is used at the end of the sentence in assertive and imperative sentence, as well as it is used in abbreviations. For example, don't go there. At last there is a full stop. It means at the end of the sentence there would be full stop in assertive and imperative sentence. In addition, full stop is used in abbreviations. For example, BSc, Bachelor of Science, MA, Master of Art, etc. Second punctuation mark is the comma. The comma marks the shortest pause between parts of a sentence. It is used to make the list of words or phrases. Moreover, it is used in complex sentence to join the subordinate clause or sometime before the subordinate clause. For example, I brought pen, notebook, textbook, pencil with me. Here, comma is used to make the list of words. Next punctuation mark is semicolon. Semicolon represents a pause longer than that indicated by the comma. It is used when the coordinating conjunctions and, but, or do not appear between the principal clauses and the coordinate clause in compound sentence. For example, thanks to you, we have such a good life now. Fourth punctuation mark is the colon. The colon is used for longer pause. It represents a pause still longer than that indicated by the semicolon. It is used to illustrate and to explain a statement, as well as it is used to show things that belong to a category. For example, he knew all the important terms in cricket, just as mid-on, googly, spinner, and the like. Fifth punctuation mark is the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used after interjections and phrases and sentences expressing sudden feelings and emotions. It means exclamation mark is used after exclamatory words or exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray. It is an interjection. After interjection there is an exclamation mark. Another example, what a grand victory. It is an exclamatory sentence. After sentence there is exclamation mark. Next one is the question mark. As everyone knows it, question mark is used after question. However, the question mark is used after a direct question. It is never used in indirect speech. As well as question mark is used after question tag. For example, why didn't you tell me? Question mark. It means question mark is used after question or after interrogative sentence. Let's discuss about the apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to show that a letter is dropped. For example, I am. Here, a letter is dropped. Moreover, it is used to indicate the possessive case of nouns. For example, he is my friend's brother. Here, friends, apostrophe s is here. So, friends is a possessive case. It is a possessive noun. Now, let's discuss about the double inverted commas, or it is known as the quotation mark. The quotation marks are inverted commas are used to mark the exact words of a speaker, to indicate direct speech or a quotation. For example, the master said, "Bring me the golden staff." This sentence is written in direct speech. It means whenever we write sentence in direct speech, we must use double inverted commas or quotation marks while writing sentence. Let's examine the hyphen. The hyphen is used to join some compound nouns, adjectives or verbs. For example, they force fed the small sized bird. Students, you must remind one thing regarding to hyphen is a shorter line than a dash, and it is used to connect the parts of a compound words. Next one is dash. Dash is longer than the hyphen. However, the dash is used to separate major ideas in a sentence. For example, friends, relatives, companions all deserted him. Let's understand the capital letter or usage of capital letter. The capital letter is used to begin a sentence, as well as it is used to begin each fresh line of poetry, to begin all proper nouns and adjectives formed from them. Despite this, capital letter is used for all the nouns and pronouns which indicate God. Moreover, it is used in abbreviations too. For example, MLA, WHO, SSC, etc. In this way, today we have seen punctuations. Now I would like to give assignment for practice. Question is, punctuate the following sentences. 1. The Ganga river is sacred river. 2. Where are you going? 3. How beautiful sea is. 4. Don't play game. 5. They said we are going to market. Student, you have to punctuate the given sentences and write them in your classwork. Thank you.